If you are a medical student, then you must know this. Hello everyone. Today we will learn about Glasgow Coma Scale, also called GCS. It is used to assess level of consciousness, mainly used in head injury, trauma patients, and in ICU monitoring. The components includes eye opening, verbal response, and motor response. In eye opening, if the patient opens his eyes spontaneously, then it is E4. If the patient opens his eyes to the sound, then it is E3. If the patient opens eyes to the pressure, then it is E2. If the patient doesn't open his eyes, then it is E1. Next comes the verbal response. In verbal response, if the patient speaks oriented to name, place, and time, then it is V5. If the patient is confused, then it is V4. If the patient speaks inappropriate words, then it is V3. If patient makes incomprehensible sounds, that means patient cannot make up words but can make only sounds, then it is V2. If the patient doesn't respond verbally, then it is V1. Next comes the motor response. In this, if the patient obeys the commands, then it is M4. If patient localizes the pain, then it is M5. If the patient withdraws from the pain, then it is M4. If patient does abnormal flexion, then it is M3. It happens when the damage is to the cerebral cortex. If the patient does abnormal extension, then it is M2. It happens when the damage is in the brainstem. If the patient doesn't do any response, then it is M1. Now let's see the score interpretation. If the score ranges from 13 to 15, then it is a mild brain injury. If the score ranges from 9 to 12, then it is a moderate injury. If the score ranges from 3 to 8, then it is a severe injury. GCS less than or equal to 8 means severe coma. It is calculated by adding eye response, verbal response, and the motor response. Make sure to subscribe for more medical contents like this. Thank you.